Good morning, students. Welcome to School at Home program of KTS. In the part of this program, now I am going to discuss about problems on mirror equation and magnification. First problem: object placed at 5 centimeters from the concave mirror, focal length 25 centimeters. Find the image distance of object. Students, there is a simple problem is given for us. That is what? That is only object distance is given and focal length is given. We have to find out the image distance. Here, based on the data, object distance is 5 centimeters. Focal length is 25 centimeters. We have to find out the image distance. You know very well the relation between these three things are 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Just simply substitute there is a u value and f value, you will get the v value. How it is? There is a what? 1 by 25 is equal to taken as 1 by v plus 1 by 5 centimeters. Now 1 by v is equal to taken as 1 by 25 minus 1 by 5. There is a 1 by v is equal to taken as the 25 and here it is a 1 minus 5. Now 1 by v is equal to taken as minus 4 by 25. This is also written as v is equal to minus 25 by 4. Now it is equal to what? 6.25 centimeters. This is only the image distance. Here the minus is indicate here what? The minus is indicate sign convention. There is indicates a what? We are taken the image distance opposite to the incident ray direction. That's why it is the minus is indicate. Yes, this is only our first problem.
Second problem, an object is placed that is 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror would be placed in order to obtain a sharp image and find the nature and size of image? In this problem, we have to find out image distance and nature of image by the magnification formula as follows.
Yes, students, now there is the next problem, the second problem. The based on second problem, the given data is already we are observed. Based on the data, once we draw the one diagram here, there is a what? This is the concave mirror. From the concave mirror, there is a what? We located one object. That object is from the mirror to the object. The distance is taken as 25 centimeters. And object height is 4 centimeters and the focal length of the concave mirror is taken as what? 15 centimeter. This is the data. Focal length is 15 centimeters and as well as object distance is 25 centimeters and here object height is 4 centimeters. Now by using our two formulas, what the formulas we required for is here? The two formulas are required. We have to find out the image distance and as well as what is the nature of the image. The image distance is given by the mirror formula. The nature of the image is given by the magnification formula. Okay, that's why we have to go with the two formulas. And here there is a what we are considering, first the image distance. And one more thing, the sign convention is also very important role played here. There is a focal length and as well as the object distances they are taken opposite to the direction of incident rays. Opposite to the direction of incident rays. The incident rays are moving like this, but our observation we taken opposite to the direction only. That's why we taken both are minuses only, minus 15 centimeter and minus 25 centimeters. Now there is object of height is a positive only. Why? Because it is upward to the axis. Now there is a what we consider formula. First formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here v value is required. Before in this problem also we completed this. Simply we written as 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Here the f value 1 by v is equal to taken as minus 15 and as well as minus of minus 25. Here it is also written as 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 50 plus 1 by 25. Here 15 and 15, 25, LCM is become 75. Now it is written as that is it is a what? It is a 5 minus 5 plus that it is also taken as this is the 3. Now 1 by v is equal to written as minus 2 by 75. Then v is equal to taken as here there is a 75 by 2 that is equal to taken as 37.5. That is image is formed as the image distance is how much here? The image distance is equal to how much here? Image distance is equal to minus 37.5. Now the second part of this problem. Okay, now by using the magnification formula, that is a what? Hi by h naught or HO is equal to minus v by u. From the before our solution and the given data, you have the values. That is, object height is equal to 4 centimeters and u is equal to 25 centimeter. V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeters. Now get the solution for us. And now there is you are substitute the values inside it. You'll get that hi value. That is height of image will be get for us. Height of image is how much now? Hi by 4 is equal to minus of minus 37.5 by minus 25. Now hi by 4 is equal to 37.5 minus, we consider here minus of minus plus and minus it goes to here 25. Here it is also given as hi is equal to 37.5 minus 37.5 by 25 into 4. 37.5 by 25, it is approximately hi is equal to taken as 1.5 into 4, that is minus 6 centimeters. Hi is equal to minus 6 centimeters. Hi is equal to how much? Minus 6 centimeters. Now there is a two values are getting for us based on our solution. One is a image distance, that is a minus 37.5 centimeters, and another one is hi is equal to taken as 6 centimeters. It is a minus 6 centimeters. Means what? Our object distance is 4 centimeter. Our object height is 4 centimeter. Image height is 6 centimeters. Object distance is 25 centimeter. Image distance is minus 37 centimeter. Okay, now it is a real image, that's why inverted mode will be get for us, and as well as the height of object is lesser than the height of image, that's why it is an enlarged. The conclusion is image distance minus 37.5 centimeter, object distance is a 25 centimeter, height of object is 4 centimeter only, but our height of image is 6 centimeter. From this given data, we will conclude that it is a real image is formed, but inverted mode only it will be get for us, and the next component it is here enlarged mode it will be get for us. Students, the last topic in our lesson is solar cookers. How the solar cookers are working? What is the working principle of solar cooker we discussed now. I thought you heard about the story of Archimedes' burning principles, burning ships. Archimedes is used concave mirror and he collected all the sun rays, and whatever the sun rays are fall on the concave mirror, they make it is fall on the enemy ships. Automatically, all the rays are converges, you know very well, on the particular ships, and that whatever the cloth contained by the ships, that it become burned. This technique they are used in that particular ancient days. The same principle we are used for our solar cooker also. We are used one concave mirror. Whatever the rays are coming from the sun, it is taken as a parallel rays. That rays are fall on the concave mirror. After reflection, they focused at our focal point. At that focal point, we got a maximum amount of heat. That heat is utilized for the cooking purpose. Okay, this is only the working principle of our solar cooker. In the concave mirror, all the parallel beam which is coming parallel to the principal axis and fall on the concave mirror, they converge at a point of pole. When we put our cooking bowl at the pole, there is a what? That utilizing the heat of our sun, that cooking material is undergoes the boiler cooking. Okay, this is only the principle of our solar cooker.
Students, now we take the working model of solar cooker. For the making of the solar cooker, you have to take one parabolic metal dish like this, and you take a paper or any cardboard for the measuring the glass in a parabolic shape, and you have to cut the glass based on that paper like this parabolic shape, and divide this glass as well as number of small strips like this, and you cut these all the strips into small part carefully, and again divided. These are small strips like whatever the figure shown here. Now there is all collect this all the cutting glass strips, and it is attached by the gum on the parabolic dish whatever initially we are consider, and you attach every strip carefully to this parabolic dish. Now it is looks like this after completion of connecting all strips. Now the remove whatever the marking here has a number. The number is not required for us. For a particular similar shapes purpose we are used this numbering. Now our cooker is prepared. It is fit to any particular stand, and for adjusting to fall on the sun rays on it. Now there is our solar cooker is ready for it. Once check it out, all the sun rays when it is fall on, and it is converging on that illuminated point where the burn here. Got it? And now the same position we are located whatever the cooking boil. Here check it out, there is in this particular bowl we are taken some cooking material and it is become boiling. This is only the working model of our concave mirror based solar cooker. Thank you for watching. Students, in this lesson we are taken our introduction of reflection and curved surfaces, ray diagrams, mirror formulas, sign convention and magnification in the solar cooker and its working process, and some problems. Please be concentrate on every topic, and if you want to listen again these classes, you follow the following links.